to drop this in. Pretty much ready to go. Got the transmission on. So it's finally in. I'm still debating if maybe I should build something here that covers it. That way the motor's completely covered. You never know, somebody with long hair might get their hair caught in that thing. So I don't have the cover for this. I could probably find one. And so I know the B20 before, it had just like the plastic cover, you know, it covered it off. But other than that, this looks really good. I'm really surprised on how easy this thing goes in. Like, very simple to pull it out, you know, if you were to pull it in and out, whatever. But it's looking good. So far, so good. I'm happy to see the results. So pretty much our next step at this point would be connect the axles. We have this back mount back here that we have to make a bracket for. And then we're gonna be installing our turbo manifold back on. And I have a stock intake manifold, but I do want to run either like a Skunk 2 or a Golden Eagle intake manifold. One of them. Either one will work. But so far, it's looking really good. I have to run all the intercool piping still and mount the radiator. And she will be ready